I'm Bet from Bet's Makes, and today we've got a short video on uploading PNG files and what you can do with them before you bring them into Cricut Design Space. So the first thing we want to do is open up a new project in Cricut Design Space. So I started a new project in Design Space and clicked on the Upload button and then looked for the file that I wanted to upload. This is a PNG file, and it is in my resource library if you want to find it. Now, when I bring it first in, once I've clicked on Upload, I get a choice of simple, moderately complex, or complex. Because I want to keep all my colors intact, I usually pick on complex and then click on Continue. Now, the interesting thing is when you come into this part when you're uploading a PNG file, it gives you a little crosshair that you see here. Well, if you look over on the side here, that becomes what they call a magic wand. So you select an erase, you can use an eraser, or you can crop. I like the magic wand because what I want to do is get rid of the background. And because the background is all white, I'm just going to click once, and you'll see that the background disappears. Now this happens with any PNG file. As long as the color is touching each other and it's the same color, it will disappear. The only difference for this one is I have to click inside each of the letters where I want to get rid of the white. And I'll just do that right now. Make sure I've got them all. Looks pretty good. I'm going to click on Continue, and I missed one back here, so let's go back. I just have to click on the E here. That looks pretty good. Click on Continue. Now I have a choice whether I can just use it as a cut image and just set it up so it cuts automatically. I don't have to send it to the printer. Or I can do it as a print then cut image. Well, right now I want to use it as a print then cut because I want to preserve the colors. So we'll just click on this one, click on Save. We're going to click on it again, and we're going to bring that image in. And I'm just going to enlarge it a bit so that we can see it. Now, there's nothing you can do that is one cut image, but you can add other tools and cut out each of the words so they are cut separately if you wish. And I will just show you a simple trick using your PNG files and some shapes. So I'm going to do the square again, and I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to send the square to the back. So I'm coming up to Arrange. I'm going to send it to the back. Now I can see the letters. So I'm just going to put it over this way so you can see the letters. The big important thing is now I am going to stretch this so that I just see the letters I want to keep. And it should cut those right out. Now, because I'm going to use this again, I'm just going to lock it. I'm going to duplicate it and just move it out of the way so I have the perfect shape. Now I'm going to select the two things here. And I'm going to come down here and I am going to slice them. Now look what happens. I get the Be Kind in behind. You could use that if you want. I'm just going to get rid of that one right here. So I'm going to delete it. Now if I click on the Be Kind, you'll see that I have my red Be Kind now as one cut item, and I also have a black one that came out of the strip. Now you can do the same thing over and over as you do each one of these. So I can do Be Calm the same way. Let me duplicate this so I have another copy. I can highlight the both of them. I can slice them. Keep the Be Calm as separate now. I can get rid of that one. And then finally, I can bring this one in, do the same thing. I'm going to come down here to slice. I'm going to get rid of that one. I have the colored one now, and I have the other one. So that is a simple way of uploading your PNGs and slicing them up so you can use them differently. I really hope you enjoyed this mini lesson, and until next time, happy crafting.